Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the LORT game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the LORT game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, in order to change your control settings, you will need to go into the settings menu. From here you can find both the keyboard and mouse as well as your joystick settings. You can change the gamepad type based on the kind of controller that you are using, but there is no option to customize the controls for joystick. If you go into keyboard and mouse, you will see the various buttons that have been assigned to the game controls. In order to change any, you can clear the already assigned control and now click on the blank space to reassign your preferred button. After you press your desired button, it will be assigned right away. You can also click on the already assigned button without clearing it and then press your desired new key to reassign. And through this method, you can reassign all of your keys to your desired one. Once you are done, just go back and your changes will be saved. You can now start playing your game with your customized control right away. And if you wish to change it in the future, you can go back to the keyboard and mouse setting at any time and reset them to default or reassign based on your desire. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the LORT game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.